Let's talk about human act. What is a human act? It is an act which proceeds from the deliberate free will of man. So for an act to be human, it must possess three essential qualities. Number one, an act which is done deliberately. So there is knowledge. So it must be performed by a conscious agent, meaning a man is aware of what he is doing. He is aware of the consequences of a particular action. Number two, an act which is done freely. There is a freedom. And it must be performed by an agent who is doing the act freely. Number three, an act which is done voluntarily. There is a voluntariness of a particular act. So the act itself emanates from the bottom of his heart. And therefore, in order for an act to be human, it must have knowledge, freedom, and voluntariness. Example, playing basketball, reading, eating, etc. So these are all done knowingly, freely, and voluntarily. So human acts therefore must be done knowingly, freely, and voluntarily. So if those qualities of the human act are present in the particular act, the agent of an act becomes responsible and accountable for its consequences if those qualities are present in a particular act. If you are doing the act knowingly, consciously, and freely, meaning you are responsible and accountable for its action. Actions that are done knowingly, freely, and voluntarily demands responsibility on the part of the agent, and you are accountable for the consequences of an action. Thank you so much, and I hope you learned a lot.